Hey guys, welcome to my blog channel. Today we are going for a day trip to Atlantic City in New Jersey, USA, which is also known as the Vegas of East Coast, USA. So we are doing this road trip from Jersey City, and it's gonna take almost 2 hours to reach there. And guys, that's my daughter Tashi. She is saying hi, and this is first time she is sitting in this new car seat. And let me tell you, it's a very beautiful sunny day outside. Next week the autumn is going to start, so we have chosen this weekend to visit, and now we are heading to pick up our other friends to join us. So guys, if we talk about the Atlantic City, it is a coastal resort city in Atlantic County of New Jersey, and it is very famous for its casinos, beaches, and the classic boardwalk. Guys, our friends have joined us, and Tashi was cranky, so I had changed my seat and came backside of the car. And we are on the way to the Atlantic City now. We are not at all getting bored in this trip. There are a lot of beautiful landscapes on the way, and it's really wonderful to have this ride. So after almost 2 hours, we have reached here, and this is my gang. And now we have found the parking. This is Tashi's friend Natavya. She is saying hi to you all. And that's Tashi again. And we are doing the parking formalities. We have parked in our car and just taking out the parking tickets. We found this parking at the rate $7 for 8 hours. And guys, let me tell you that there are plenty of parking options, and you can already check online before going there. And now we are heading towards the beach. I'm really excited for the day ahead. And we are at the boardwalk of the Atlantic City. Guys, believe it or not, it's very famous. I have read a lot about it. And now we have reached at the beach already. The beach is so beautiful. The water is so sparkling, and it's very super clean beach. And the kids are enjoying a lot. It's really fun and exciting to be here. We did some photography as well, and these two girls were playing basketball. They were enjoying a lot. Girls played a lot at the beach, and it was really blissful to watch them playing. So after few photography scenes, we again came back to stroll on the boardwalk, and we were super hungry, so we did our lunch. Then kids also wanted ice cream, so we bought ice creams as well. There are a lot of shopping options also along the boardwalk. The boardwalk is really connecting the roaring Atlantic Ocean and the dozens of hotels, casinos, shops, amusements. It is such a fascinating experience to stroll on any time of the day on this boardwalk. I'm really enjoying it. Then we wanted to have the real fun. We decided to go inside the casino. Guys, this is my first time, and we chose to visit Bally's Casino. And we already made an entry, but as the kids are not allowed the kids are really not allowed inside the casino, so we decided a plan to split the gang. The guys will go inside first, and then ladies will go and have fun. So meanwhile, the other team will take care of kids outside. So when I made the entry inside the casino, I was not aware that the photography and the videography was prohibited, but I managed to have this small clip, and it was really exciting inside. And there were a lot of games, a lot of people were playing, gambling. This was my first experience, and I really enjoyed it. This boardwalk was invented by Alexander Boardman in 1870, and this is one of the America's oldest and the world's longest boardwalk. It is almost 8 feet in width and 5.5 miles long. It's really fantastic. Kids were enjoying a lot. So after spending this beautiful day in Atlantic City, we decided to go back to Jersey City, as we were not prepared to have a night stay in city because of kids. So we are leaving now, and I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Thank you for watching.